Devassa Pharma Vic has unified under its own trademark Suacron, leading the development of this key molecule, Carazolol, for animal welfare in Europe. This presentation details the mode of action of Carazolol. There are many situations susceptible to causing stress in swine production. Some of these are group housing of sows, farrowing crate adaptation, farrowing, transport, regrouping, boar management. Adrenaline and noradrenaline are hormones that mediate stress reactions. Any stressing stimulus for the animal causes adrenaline and noradrenaline secretion. These fix to the beta receptor located on the plasmatic membrane, causing the stress reaction. The next sequence simulates how adrenaline and noradrenaline beta receptors are occupied. Stress starts after the receptors are occupied. Observe signs in a stressed animal. In long-lasting farrowing, there is a higher piglet mortality rate due to hypoxia. Increased nervousness in the sow causes more crushed piglets. There is a higher index of piglet deaths due to aggressiveness and cannibalism. A high stress level in the sow causes milk retention that increases MMA incidence. There is an increase of aggressiveness during hierarchical interactions in pregnant sows when they are group housed. During transport, there are more deaths due to heart failure, more weight losses and a lower meat quality, more incidence of pale, soft and exudative meat. There is more aggressiveness during hierarchical interactions after piglets and pigs are regrouped. Frequently, dead boars appear due to heart failure after mating or after semen collection. There are two pharmacological options to prevent stress effects: sedatives and tranquilizers, historical products that work on the central nervous system and have some disadvantages. Animals are sleepy, animals habituate to the product, and other disadvantages. Carazolol, present and future key molecule for animal welfare, is a beta blocker that works on the autonomous nervous system, avoiding the disadvantages of sedatives and tranquilizers because the animals are always conscious. They do not habituate to the product, and other advantages. Next, there is a detail of Carazolol, Suacron's molecule, mode of action. Carazolol is a beta blocker with the same specificity for the beta receptors as adrenaline and noradrenaline. Giving the product before the stress situation appears, the beta receptors will be occupied by Carazolol before they are occupied by adrenaline and noradrenaline. Suacron has to be given intramuscularly 20 minutes before stress appears. The next sequence simulates beta receptors being occupied by Carazolol over 8 to 12 hours. When stress mechanisms start, adrenaline and noradrenaline try to occupy the beta receptors, now occupied by Carazolol, without success. No stress signs appear. The advantages of using Carazolol, Suacron, are less farrowing time, involving a reduction of the mortality rate of piglets due to hypoxia. The benefits of reducing nervousness in the sow are a decrease of the crushed piglets, of the aggressiveness and cannibalism, and of MMA incidence. Less aggressiveness during hierarchical interactions in pregnant sows when they are group housed. During transport, there are less deaths due to heart failure, less weight loss, and a lower percentage of pale, soft, exudative meat. Less aggressiveness during hierarchical interactions in piglet and pig regrouping. Less boar deaths due to heart failure after mating or after semen collection. The most important data to remember about Suacron is that to reach the maximum effect, Suacron has to be given 20 minutes before the stressing situation appears. Effective time is about 8 to 12 hours. Suacron has no withdrawal period. The recommended dose is 0.2 milliliters per 10 kilograms of body weight. Manage welfare. Anticipate stress. Divasa Farmavik, Health and Animal Welfare.